in dollars, which is our currency, but pay stack is denominated in naira. So if we come here and put amount, so the amount we have here is too low, which is 40. It will just put the number 40, and in dollars, $40 might be big, but in naira, the number 40 is so small. So and it's lower than how much pay stack charges per transaction. So that's why they just reduced it to 0. Alright, so basically what we want is to put a high number here. So temporarily I will just put, let's say, 3,600 naira. So 3,600 naira. Now if you're in Nigeria, this must be in kobo. So kobo is like the cents of Nigeria. The way you have dollars, then you have cents. 100 cents make $1. 100 kobo make 1 naira. So now, whatever amount you're entering here in naira, you have to add extra 2 zeros to it. An extra 2 zeros, 1, 2. That is to make it naira. So this is 360,000 kobo. But when you now check it, it will turn to 3,600 naira. So what we're gonna do is to come here, we reload. Now it has refreshed. If we click pay now, you see that it's 3,600 naira. That's beautiful. So I'm just walking you through how you understand these payment processes. Some payment processing platforms like PayPal might give you the option of specifying the currency. You understand? So you might specify the currency of the platform. For this one, Paystack, it's naira by default. All right. Now we have this sorted out. I will just have no option than to I'll return it to what it was. It should be like this normally. All right. So, but we have to test though. So for testing, I think first of all we need to put this. I'm gonna remove this. Beautiful. And then we have to proceed with the payment. But before we proceed with the payment, after payment, where is it going to land? Which part of our site, which page on our site is it going to open after payment? We have to specify it inside our Paystack settings. So here, remember that our platform runs on, if we open this, you're supposed to put your normal URL, but if we open our platform, you see that it runs on localhost, our server. I think I should open the server here. You see that our server runs on localhost 127.0.1. So if we come here and do 8,000, this is the URL for our server since we're still developing. So we need this URL. We come here on Paystack and paste it. Paste. Then it's actually a callback URL, so we have to go to our route file to get the remaining URL. Go to our route file at the bottom here. This is whatever our site is / payment callback. That is it. So I'm gonna copy this / payment callback. All right. Then for the pay, it will be whatever our site is / pay. Control copy paste. That's whatever our site is / pay. Look at it / pay. So that's beautiful. Then we have to save. It's saved correctly, successfully. And now if we now make a payment, it's gonna complete. Now if we go to our platform, they have given us a fake card to use. So I'm gonna use the fake card. Copy. Paste. Remember that if it's the real platform, you wouldn't see a fake card to use. /020. Okay, then 408. I'll click pay. So you see pay with Visa. Click pay. payment successful, it's redirecting. It redirects me to this page. So this page, the reason why this is my site, look at it, localhost colon 8000 payment callback. The reason why it's spitting out this data is, let me show you. Look at all the data it brought back. It's because we're spitting out the data from our payment. If we go to our payment app controller, say app HTTP controller, if we go to payment controller, we will see that here immediately we receive the items from page stack, we are spitting it out. If you use DD and put any variable in Laravel, it will be spitted out. Alright, that's why we are seeing this instead of any other text. So we need to, in the next video, we need to use this, save it in the database, update the transaction table, update the QRCode table, whatever tables we need to update. After updating them, we now redirect the user to a beautiful page or back to the QR